Okay everyone, what do you want to eat for breakfast? Because you can either have cereal or toast.
I want toast. I want cereal. Toast. No, I want toast.
I'll just have whatever.
We always have cereal every morning. Let's have pancake. Or no, maybe we could have Skittles or some chocolate. I don't know.
Amy, make up your mind. I don't have all day.
I want toast, not burnt toast.
Well, we've run out of bread, so you're gonna have to eat burnt toast, Marcus.
No, I miss Mommy and Daddy.
Well, we're going to visit them after the electrician comes.
No fair, no fair. Grandpa, can you even cook? This toast looks so burnt. It looks more chopped than Keaton.
Well, you can't even be saying anything. You're more chopped than ever.
Haha, the bread is just chopped like your haircut.
Well, whatever. I'm not about to argue with a 4-year-old. Okay, kids, how about we go to the living room and do something fun instead of calling each other chopped? Because I'm not about to do a drama this morning.
Okay, Kaden, we practice very hard, so don't laugh.
Haven't you heard on the internet, girl?
I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Do you read me? Like
oh my gosh, guys. Your singing is so good. So good. Oh my gosh, no. My phone just died.
Amy, I have the coolest idea. Let's go give Grandpa a makeover. What? Really? A makeover? Wow. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to bring my mom's makeup and I'm going to put some makeup on Grandpa. Wow, Grandpa, you're glowing. Oh, and by the way, someone's calling you on your phone.
Hi, Nathan. Are you guys doing all right? Wait, oh my gosh, what is on my face? Hi, how are y'all doing? I hope it's not too cold in the house. And by the way, the electrician's coming soon.
Hi, Dad. Yes, hi, Daddy.
Oh, hi, Serene and Amy. I hope y'all are doing good.
Yeah, we're doing good. We just did Grandpa's makeup, and Grandpa gave me burnt toast, so I'm not really happy about that.
Oh, well, can I talk to Kaden and Marcus?
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, by the way, Kaden's asleep. Okay, but before we say bye, your mom just has to say something to you guys. Oh, I miss you guys so much. See you when you guys visit.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Okay, guys, so comment your name suggestions down in the comment section below. And I'll probably pick a name from the comment section, or I may add my own.
Why does my boss say I have to come to work today? It's literally so cold. Well, anyways, I'ma head inside this house.
Oh, I think that's the electrician. I'm gonna go open the door. Hi, come on.
I'm here to fix your ow, my foot.
Hey, Miss Electrician, are you gonna fix our house now? Yeah, you gonna fix house now?
Yes, I'm going to fix you guys' house now. And it's gonna be nice and warm and cozy like it was before the snowstorm.
Yay!
Oh, have these two been bothering you? Come on, let's go back into the living room, okay?
Oh no, they've been sweet little angels.
Okay, we'll just let you do your job.
Bye, Electrician.
Bye. Fine. Let me see what the problem is in this heating system right now.
Oh my gosh, yay, the power's finally back on. Yay, now we can watch TV again.
Hold on, kids, because before we go watch TV, we have to visit your parents, remember?
Okay, Grandma.
Oh my gosh, the power is finally back on. I hope I didn't miss anything. And now I can charge my sweet, sweet phone.
Now that will be 1111168911011876541.
Wait, are you actually joking? I have to pay all of that money just for power and heating?
Actually, yes, I was joking. And it's all covered by the estate, so I'll be on my way now.
Oh, I nearly had a heart attack. Okay guys, so like we're just heading to the hospital to visit Nathan and Amari now. Hi Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hi Amari. Hi Nathan.
Hey guys.
Hi. Oh, you're such a cutie.
Mom, can I please hold her now?
Yeah honey, of course you can. You just need to sit in a chair because I don't want you dropping her.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh wow, she's so tiny and adorable. I don't like her. Why is she so small? Well, 'cause she's a baby. No fair, no fair.
Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment your ideas for the baby name, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.